Yay, summer break is over and I am back with subsidized versus unsubsidized loans. My name is Joanne and this is Financial Fridays on the Broadcast Sunny channel. So what's the main difference between subsidized and unsubsidized education loans? It's who pays the interest, whether it's you or the government. So a subsidized loan currently, I only know of the government that offers this type of loan, although I know there's this big movement in microloans that you might be able to find a place, but I don't know how legit they are and where to find them at the moment, although I didn't do any research, so who knows. So a subsidized loan means you do not pay any interest while in school. You don't even make any payments yet while in school. As you take the loans out, it does accumulate, but you don't make any payments nor get charged any interest. The grace period is typically at the moment 6 months after you graduate from school. I don't know what it is if you leave school and didn't graduate. You do have to pay it back even then. You have to have a minimum number of credit hours to have the interest not paid for, and that would be a part-time status, and that would be dependent on your college. The loan is awarded through FAFSA, which is the free application for federal student aid. Typically you fill it out in January. I think you might even be able to fill it out sooner, I'm not sure, but that's how you get the subsidized loan. So now the unsubsidized loan. This to me is new. When I was in college, I never heard of this. But it is provided by the government as well as other private institutions, and possibly your college may have it. With the unsubsidized loan, you borrow the money. You don't have to pay it back until you graduate, but interest is added to that loan while you are in college. As soon as you take it out, you start earning interest. I say earning, accruing interest, so it's adding to your debt. You're not earning anything. You pay the interest, and you may pay the interest while you are in college. And that would be dependent on how big your loan is, of course, or you can let it accrue. If you want my opinion, I'd say pay off the interest per month. It will save you money at the end. So you must have a minimum number of credit hours, again, part-time basis, and you can get the unsubsidized loan through FAFSA, and then other outside organizations may approach you if they find you need a loan. Now, this is the facts in this one. It has to do with the government unsubsidized loan. If you get a private loan, check the details. They may have something a little bit different. Also keep in mind, with any loan, anything financial, you should read the fine print. I know it's several pages long, and I know we are so used to in this society to skip the legalese, but when it comes to finances, I highly recommend you spend an evening just reading about the loan before you go ahead and say, yes, I'll take it. Oh, and then a warning. Basically, I am not a big believer in taking out loans if you can survive without it. I hate to see kids start out their life with being in debt. So it is an issue in this country. I know that college is crazy high cost, and I'm hoping to come out with a video to help you keep down the costs. That's my soapbox. I am stepping down now. So that is subsidized versus unsubsidized education loan. I hope it helped. Please like and subscribe, and you can check out my other Financial Friday videos under the playlist Financial Fridays on the Broadcast Sunny channel.